going to edge those raw edges so they stop fraying. This is the way I like to do it, but you may come up with another way. I set my machine, this is a very simple little brother machine, and it's years old, but it just works, it just goes. So I'm going to set it on a zigzag, which is a number 3, and I'm going to set it on a very, very small stitch length, about a 1 or even just less than a 1, and I'm going to set it on a very, very small stitch width. Now I think I'll set it on a 2 stitch width for today, and we'll see how that goes to start with. So now I'm just going to do a very, very fine zigzag seam along the edge to stop it fraying. Now you could use pinking shears. I'm not fond of pinking shears, but so this is why I do it this way. But you could also do a rolled edge, a slight rolled edge. I find that the zigzag stitch just works quite well for me, but you could do a little rolled edge, which would be very, very neat and tidy. Yep, this is what I'm going to do. You do use a little bit more cotton this way, but I'm not so fussed about that. And it's a bit time consuming. However, I'm not that fussed about that either. Start off really slowly until the fabric starts going through the dogs, the feed dogs at the bottom that feed the fabric through. Now I think I'm quite happy with that actually. It's showing me. Yeah, I'm getting a very nice fine zigzag on the edge there, and I'll just that's very neat and tidy. So what I'm doing is holding the fabric just enough away from the needle so that the needle will get that 2 to 3 centimetre edge, and give me a very nice edge without it ever fraying. I've got a very neat seam there, and these little bits that are coming off here, I'll just snip those off with a little tiny pair of shears. Go that all the way along.